Namaskaram and Swagatam to Fluent in Malayalam. Today we are going to learn how to pronounce the letter Ra in Malayalam. So let us first learn the technique and then we'll see some examples. So let us first learn the techniques for pronouncing Ra. This sound happens in the front of your mouth. So if we are considering this as your upper palate and this as your tongue, it just touches the front part just behind your teeth. So it touches the palate just behind your teeth, and your tongue should have an outward motion. So it is like ra, 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 ra. So that is the technique for pronouncing ra. And now let us see some examples. First one is tara, tara. Tara is floor or foundation. Floor or foundation is tara. And this is one of the first word we learn in school when we start learning Malayalam. Then the second word is Paraba. Parava. Parava. Parava is a synonym for bird. Parava. Parava. Third one is Maravi. Maravi. Maravi is forgetfulness. Forgetfulness. You might have often heard people saying like Maradnu poi. Maradnu poi means they forgot something. So Maravi is the noun. So that is forgetfulness. Next one is Taravu. Taravu. Taravu is duck. Taravu is duck. Kara is dirt. Kara is dirt. Kara. Kara. So this is specifically for Indians. I think everyone will have seen the Surf Excel ad where they say Dag acha hai in Hindi. So it translates. If you have seen the Malayalam ad, they will say like Kara Nalladana. Kara Nalladana, which means the same. It means that dirt is good. And so that is for the word Kara. Kara. Then next word is Para. Para. Para is rock. Para is rock. Next word is Kuravu. Kuravu. Kuravu is deficit or shortage. Kuravu is deficit or shortage. Rani. Rani is queen. Rani is queen. You can hear this as a name also. Rani, queen. Next word is rubber. Rubber. So it is the same. So it is the English word, how the English word is said in Malayalam. So for Indians, it might be okay to hear it like that. But for native English speakers, if you are listening, it might not be the same way that you pronounce it because of the difference in the pronunciation of R. So rubber. Rubber is rubber. And the last one is the place Malappuram. Malappuram is a district in Kerala. Malappuram. Malappuram. So I hope you have learned the technique and you learned a lot of new words today. I hope you enjoyed this. If so, please give it a thumbs up and do share. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching and namaskaram.